Hello beautiful people, welcome to the channel DAppMavericks.
Today I'm going to show you how to mint in AVIVE. It's a free minting going on of their own NFT. Basically that NFT is going to be used while KYC. Let's go with that, how to do that minting. Okay, it's a zero free minting, just you need to have to pay the gas fee on Ethereum. Yeah, this is the option. You have to click over here. It will take you to this interface, and you have to connect to the wallet over here. Yeah, over here you have to connect the wallet, and here you have to input your nickname, like on the AVIVE profile, whatever name you are having, so you have to put that. So let's first connect to the MetaMask wallet. So here is the MetaMask wallet we have connected. Basically friends, here you have to, if it's not changing automatically the network, so here you have to go with this Arbitrum 1 network, and you have to hold some Ethereum on your balance so that you can pay the gas fee. Okay, so here put your ID over, email ID over here, that email ID from which you have signed in to AVIVE account, and they are gonna send you some codes, and you have to input the code over here. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put my email ID, and I have to, okay, so they have sent me so as you can see here, the code is this signing code. So I have to just copy it, and I have to go to MetaMask, and I have to just paste it. Okay, so submit. Here you can see I have signed in, and just I have to click disconnect wallet. So I have connected. Just I need to put the name in my account over here, nickname over here. So let's put it. Let's check once again whether it's correct or not. Yeah, so it's Sudeep Majumdar 1718. So here Sudeep SUDIP MSZUMDER 1718. Okay, so you have to check it so that you won't do mistakes. So let's mint it. Okay, so see, this is the gas fee they are charging. So you have to click on sign. This is the gas fee they are charging. Confirm transaction. Okay, so as you can see, we are almost there in the process of creating your AVIVE profile. It's being processed. They are showing this. So how we can check it? I'll show you how to see your. Just we have to go back. We have to paste it here. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, this is my profile where we minted or NFT. You can see by going to your browser where already you are connected. Just click here, go, just press my profile. So actually some issues is happening with me, so I have to go, and again just need to paste it over here. So as you can see, it's there. So AVIVE point, you need to go like this. Just again I have to go back, and then I have to paste it over here. So as you can see, I have claimed the 10 points. So it will show after minting, it will show on your profile. Just click over there, then it will redirect to you over this page, and then you have to click in here, claim 10 points. So you will be claiming that. So after that, mint your AVIVE profile. Okay, that's fine. We have did that, and so here you have to paste. After that you have to add. After that you have to save. So let's do that. Just have to paste, add, and have to save. It will redirect to this page. Just sign it, and you can see it's showing in my Twitter handle that I have shared. Okay, yeah, so